Today, we are going to discuss the number one secret skill that you need to make money online. It's only a secret because no one else is speaking about it. And the number one secret skill that you need to make money online is called mindset. The Webster Dictionary has described mindset as a mental attitude or inclination. It tells me that we need to have the correct mental attitude towards our success to be successful. We have chosen 7 attitudes that we think you need to develop, to set in your mind to make money online. We are going to go first, and then you are going to go in the comment section below and add any other attitudes that you think is needed to make money online. Let's get started. First one is set in your mind that you will be positive and optimistic. He who says he can and he who says he can't are both usually correct. The question is, what do you say about your ability to make money online? Can you make money online? The other one is you need to set in your mind the attitude of planning. Many people jump into the online space with no plan. And guess what? He who has no plan to fail. And they fail. Every successful business has a business plan. Luckily for you, we have developed a tool that will take you from no idea to making money online in a very short space of time. It's called our How to Make Money Online Fast and Easy, a step-by-step guide for beginners. That gives you the step-by-step process which you need to take to make money online. All you need to do is to tweak that plan to suit your industry and add things like long-term and short-term goals, and there you have it, a business plan. You can download your free copy in the description column below and have it delivered directly to your mailbox. The next attitude that you need to set in your mind is one of being action-oriented. Tony Robbins said it best, which is, massive success requires massive determined action. Build it and they will come is only in the movies. However, online business, this is what you do. You build it, you make it the best you can, you go find them and bring them. You carry some on your shoulder, some on your head, some on your arms. And when they get there, you give them a reason to stay. And then they take over the work and start recommending people to your site. And that is when the money starts rolling in. Brings us the next attitude on our list, which is offer exceptional value every time. How do you keep them when you get them there? You offer exceptional value, and that's what keeps them. The value proposition is simple. You offer exceptional value to your customers. They continue to buy, they continue to recommend you, and therefore you get more sales, more money, and the cycle continues. Exceptional value, forefront of the mind. The next one we would like to talk about, the next attitude, is extracting the success from every failure. You don't give up on the first sign of something did not work the way you expected to. Let's just say you run a campaign and the campaign didn't bring back the results you want. You decide, I'm going to tweak that campaign, and you continue to make tweaks. And all of a sudden, bam, you've hit the magic button and that campaign starts to produce. You have just extracted, through your patience and tenacity, you've just extracted success from that failure. And that's how you continue to make money online. You then have to abandon the consumer mindset and take on an investor mindset. You buy things for your business that affects the bottom line of your business positively. You do not buy it because there's a nice advertisement to it. You do not buy it because, I have some money now, I think I can buy it. And a fella say he made $10,000 from it, so I'll buy it and try it. It doesn't work that way. You go through a process of qualifying whether or not this particular item will actually work for your business in your industry. And is your business at the stage where you need the type of features that this particular asset might have? And if it is not, then you don't need to buy it. You look and compare to ensure that what you're buying works for your business and you can maximize the use of that tool. You then need, last but not least, you need super discipline. Set in your mind an attitude of super discipline. You need to be disciplined to be able to do this. This is a systematic approach to mindset. Let me show you how it works. You decide that you want to do a business. You be positive about your ability to make money. You then plan how you're going to do it. You then take massive action In your mind, you already know you're going to take massive action that will bring your customers in. You then offer exceptional value to keep them there and keep them bringing, have them working for you. And then you extract the success from every failure, making you better at what you do every time as you continue to improve yourself. And you abandon the consumer mindset, so you make the right investment that will grow your business constantly. And you use your super discipline to continue to steer this path at every stage of your business. You've been with us this far, and we want to give you 2 bonus items. And one is called focus. Focus is very important. You have to focus your attention on your business and don't get distracted by every other thing that comes up, every new shiny toy. You focus and continue to use your discipline to do this, and you'll make money online. And the next one is expectation. People has the expectation that I'll put up a website and that will be enough to make money. No. You have to have the right expectation in your mind that you are going to do this to make that money. And that is how you're going to make money. But if you ever need help, we have created a tool that will take you from no idea to making money online. And we are giving you that tool for free. You can go into the description column and download this tool. It's entitled How to Make Money Online Fast and Easy, a step-by-step plan for beginners. Download that tool, subscribe, like and subscribe to this video, share it with a friend who might need it. And because we are committed to your success, please hit the notification button so you will never miss one of our important videos. See you in the next one.